Hello everyone, I'm Ankur Singh, a legal intern at Lexan Company. In this video, I'm going to talk about guidelines given by Supreme Court on Section 498A of Indian Penal Code. On 27 July 2017, two judges bench of Supreme Court said that in case of dowry harassment, husband and her in-laws will not be arrested on mere complaints. This matter was related to misuse of Section 498A of Indian Penal Code, which is in Chapter 20A of Indian Penal Code. This section was inserted in 1983, and for this, punishment is imprisonment, which may extend to 3 years and also be liable to fine. Supreme Court gives these guidelines on rising cases of misuse of Section 498A. Supreme Court orders to set at least one family welfare committee in each district. Court clarifies that accused should not be arrested until the reports of this committee submitted. Court also asked to include civil society with family welfare society. However, court has made it clear that if woman is injured or dies, these guidelines will not apply. Justice Goyal and Justice Lalit passed these guidelines on the misuse of Section 498A. Court said that these sections were brought for women who were harassed by husband or their in-laws and committed suicide and or were killed. Court said it is a matter of grave concern that these days a large number of cases are being registered under Section 498A on the allegations of harassing married women. Bench had said that to deal with this situation, civil society should be involved in this. Also, it should be kept in mind that in case of settlement, family does not have to go back in the court. Court suggested that in family welfare committee, which is going to be built in every district, these people may be included as members. First is legal volunteers, second social workers, third retired persons, fourth wife of the officers. Court also said that work of the family welfare committee should be reviewed by district magistrate from time to time. But on 30th October 2017, in a hearing, CJI Deepak Mishra said that court is not satisfied with the judgment on or these guidelines because court is not to make laws. Court's job is to interpret it. In CRPC, adequate safeguards are already given to protect the husband, and court considers that these guidelines given by Justice UU Lalit and Justice Goyal is against women's rights. Supreme Court issued a notice to the central government and National Commission for Women and asked answers for this. And Supreme Court had appointed senior advocate Indu Malhotra and V. Sekhar as amicus curiae in this case. After their report submission, Supreme Court overruled the judgment given by Justice U. Lalit and Justice Goyal and gives right to this police that police will decide whether the person is guilty or not, or whether they have to arrest or not, basically. And Supreme Court says that DGP of every state should spread awareness in their officers so that they will not arrest an innocent person. Hope you like this video. Thank you.